The sound of gnawing echoes through the forest as a beaver sets its sights on a birch or aspen. These trees are not just timber for dam construction, but a vital food source. As trees fall, sunlight, once blocked by a dense canopy, reaches the forest floor. This surge of light allows new plants to grow. But this cycle of felling and regrowth has its downsides. The disappearance of mature trees can take decades to reverse, leaving a gap in the forest structure. The beaver's most impressive feat of engineering, the dam, transforms flowing rivers into still, deep ponds. For fish like trout and salmon, these waters offer refuge from predators and the rigors of a strong current. Food becomes more readily available in the slow-moving water, attracting a greater abundance of aquatic life. Yet the same dam that provides sanctuary also presents a challenge. The wall of logs and mud becomes a barrier for fish migrating upstream to spawn. Chapter 3. An emerald tapestry. The stillness of the beaver pond allows an abundance of aquatic plants to thrive. Water lilies spread their broad leaves, and pondweed forms underwater forests, providing food and shelter for creatures. Ducks dabble among the lily pads, while frogs find ample hunting grounds amongst the lush vegetation. However, the beaver's impact on plant life is not always beneficial. The unchecked growth of certain species can choke out others, and fluctuations in water levels can leave some plants high and dry, unable to survive. Chapter 4. Feast or famine. The bounty of the beaver pond attract predators both large and small. Coyotes patrol the edges, their noses twitching at the scent of muskrats and fish. Hawks circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the shallows for an easy meal. Bears, drawn by the promise of fish, lumber down to the water's edge, their massive paws leaving deep imprints in the mud. But the changes wrought by the beavers can also make life harder for some predators. Deep water can make hunting more challenging, and the loss of large trees can deprive hawks of nesting sites.